Hello everybody, welcome back. Welcome to this video on simultaneous linear equation, algebraic method. So we're going to look into algebraic method of solving simultaneous linear equations. A quick recap: we have seen what a linear equation is. A linear equation is something with variable degree 1, and this is not a linear equation because your variable degree is one of the variable degree is not 1. So this is not a linear equation. And simultaneous linear equation means you have two linear equations with two similar variables. And we have also seen that, you know, when you plot this in graph, the meeting point, the meeting point in graph is a solution for the simultaneous linear equation. So this is something you have seen in the previous video, right? Now in this video we are going to try to solve the simultaneous linear equation, but more from algebraic method, right? So we're going to use algebraic methods. Now there are three types of algebraic method. So you can use, or maybe you can say there are two types broadly. You can use the method of elimination. So you can use elimination method, or you can use a cross multiplication method. You can use a cross multiplication method. Now this elimination method can also be further, you can do it in two ways. One is substitution, and the other one is by equating coefficients. So in this video we're going to see all the three methods. We're going to see 1, 2 and 3. All the three methods for a same set of linear equation or simultaneous linear equation. So let's say this is our simultaneous linear equation. The first thing to do is you have to number them as equation 1 and equation 2, because we're going to refer to them all in all the places. Okay, so first is, let's look at the substitution method. Substitution method. Now in this method, what we're going to do is we're going to take equation, any one of the equation. Let's say we are taking in equation 1. So we have to say in equation 1 we are going to find x in terms of y. So we're going to say x is equal to 7 minus y. So we have represented x in terms of y, and this is going to be our, let's say, third equation, and we are going to substitute 3 in 2, right? So the way we're going to do is we're going to take, let's write down 3 second equation, which is here. 3x minus 2y is given 11, and we plug in this value for x that we got here, which is 7 minus y. So from the previous one, so 3 into 7 minus y minus 2y. So I hope you can see that what we are trying to do is we are trying to eliminate one of these variables by substituting it from this equation, right? So or rather you're representing it like this and then substituting it. So this will lead us to 21 minus 3y minus 2y equal to 11. Or I can take these two to one side and these two to another side. So doing that, we say 21 minus 11 because we took 11 on that other side, and this both adds up to minus 5y, and when you move that to the other side it becomes 5y. So I can also write this as 5y equal to 10 or y equal to 2. So once you got y as 2, then you can find out the value of x by substituting for y in any of the above equations. So we say substitute this one, the value of y, in, let's say, third equation. You got x equal to 7 minus y, that's equal to 7 minus 2, that's equal to 5. So there you go. You may have a doubt whether if you can substitute for this y in equation 1. Of course you can, or you can even substitute this y in equation 2. It will lead you to the same answer, right? So once you get your answer, so you have to write your answer. So the solution is x comma y is equal to 5 comma 2. Now one of the things that you should do once you find solution is you try to substitute here and see. So you do a check. So this is a mandatory thing that you have to do a check. So x plus y equal to 7. So you can say, hey, 5 plus 2 is indeed 7. So that's correct. Then the other one is 3x minus 2y equal to, you can substitute for 5 and 2. So 3 into 5 minus 2 into 2, and that's equal to 11. So this also is correct. So this is how you check whether the solution you got meets or satisfies both the equation, right? So this is how you do the method of substitution. Now I intended to make this video with all the other methods, but since it's already crossed about 7.5 minutes, I would continue with the other two methods in the next subsequent videos. That is, B would be eliminating or equating coefficients, and the other would be the method of cross multiplication, which is cross multiplication. So we'll do the same problem using both these methods. I hope you found this video meaningful. In fact, if you are a little bit confused the first time, it's fine. It's always confusing. I would urge you to try this again, doing it without reference, and once you get a hang of it, I think it should be straightforward. See you in the next one. Bye.